Hello everybody, thank you for stopping by, and it's Celeste here and welcome to A Crafter's Story. I finally finished this enormous junk journal. I might have overstuffed it a tiny bit, but well, it's finished, it's done. I I had to use an entire scarf just to tie it down. So I want to share it with you because there are a number of the crafts that we've done in our videos in here, and it's just one of my favorites. I just really love how this turned out. So the cover was done with some decoupaged tea bags, some that I had put some food coloring on, and some that were just plain. And then I have this embellishment here with some ribbon, some ribbon at the back on the spine. This time I did remember the word spine. In my last video I couldn't remember the word spine. My brain backfires on me, guys. But starting in the beginning, I have a little pocket here, This originally was going to be a flip little butterfly. Didn't quite work out that way, so now it's just kind of stuck down there. And I think I'm going to flip through this and not really talk, because I'm just going to be saying the same thing over and over again and say pocket here, affirmation there, and that may just be a little tedious for you to listen to. So let's put on a little bit of music and I will show you this video. Do the flip through. See, I shouldn't be talking. There is my chunky journal that I've made, and you might have noticed that I left some pages blank, and I did that on purpose because I always feel that this is not going to be always going to be my journal. This is at some point going to belong to somebody else, and they're going to want to put maybe a picture, maybe they want to write here, maybe they want to put stickers down, you know. And I didn't fill, I think I missed this page. Anyway, they may want to fill pockets with things. So leaving that empty space is purposeful, so that the recipient can do that, so that they can put in their personal touch to this journal. Well, I hope that you enjoyed it. I wonder if you recognize some of the crafts that we did together. That one pink, there's our collage fashion. I did this collage feather some time back. This was our brayer paint on the jelly print. Just a bunch of things. These are those envelopes that you all loved. That video got a really good reception. Thank you. So yeah, just a lot of ideas for you to think about, and I hope that it inspires you to make your own journal. All right, you guys, thank you so much for dropping by. We'll see you next time. Bye.